Ladies and gents, gather around because we got a money-making opportunity that'll blow your socks off. Are you ready to earn $80 per video without lifting a single finger? No, this isn't some crazy sorcery or black magic. It's the real deal. We've got the secret sauce that'll turn your lazy days into cash-stuffed pockets. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how you can make $80 per video. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine making extra cash doing nothing. Stick around until the end of the video to find out how. Before we get started with our method for today, I want to take a quick moment to ask for your support. If you enjoy our content and would like to stay in the loop whenever we upload new videos, please give that thumbs up button a click and hit that subscribe button with notifications turned on. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on all the amazing tips and tricks we share for making money online using the best possible methods. It's like having a helpful friend by your side guiding you towards financial success. So let's get started and make those online dollars roll in. This money-making strategy is so simple that pretty much anyone can do it, no matter where you are in the world. And the best part, you don't need any specific knowledge, experience, or skills to get started. All you need is your trusty device, an internet connection, and this video, because we're going to guide you through every step of the way. We've done all the hard work so you can sit back, relax, and follow along as we show you how to make some serious dough. All right, folks, time to buckle up and get ready for some serious money-making action. First things first. Head over to good old Google and search for twitch.tv. Once you hit that search button, you'll be taken to the land of infinite free videos and channels. We're going to be using gaming videos like the ones on Twitch to make some big bucks online. Click on the browse button on top and you'll find yourself on a page with a ton of different video categories. But for now, let's focus on the Fortnite category, one of the hottest gaming trends out there. This section alone has over 62 million followers, so you know people are watching and interested. Scroll down a bit and you'll find even more videos to watch and earn money from. Next up, we're heading to OK.io, the website we'll be using to turn our lazy days into cold hard cash. Don't worry, this is easy peasy and we'll walk you through it step by step. First, register for a free account on the website. Then you'll be able to shorten any long URL link like the one from Twitch. Shortening links is a simple process that involves taking a long URL and turning it into a shorter, more manageable link. This can be useful for a variety of reasons, such as making it easier to share on social media platforms or reducing the character count in an email. But did you know that you can make money by shortening links? Yes, that's right. You can earn money by simply sharing shortened links on your social media platform. This process is straightforward and you can start earning money in no time. So let's dive into the steps you need to take to start making money with shortened links. Step 1. Sign up for a shortening link service. The first step to start making money with shortened links is to sign up for a shortening link service. There are many services available online, but we recommend using a reputable service like bit.ly or adf.ly. Signing up for a shortening link service is easy. All you have to do is go to their website and click on the sign up button. Once you're on the sign up page, enter your username and email address, confirm your password, and click on the I'm not a robot and submit button. After that, you can log into your brand new account right here on the statistics page, which is also the home page. You can see how many people have clicked on your link and how much money you can make right here on this website. Step 2. Shorten your link. Now that you have signed up for shortening link service, the next step is to shorten your link. To do this, you need to find a link that you want to shorten. You can choose any link, but we recommend using popular video sharing platforms such as Twitch, YouTube, or Vimeo. For example, let's say you want to shorten a link to a Fortnite video on Twitch. First, go to twitch.tv and look in the Fortnite category for 3 videos. Click on the first video, the second video, and the third video. Then open up multiple browsers and open up each video in a separate browser. Go back to the first video and click on the share button below the video. Copy this video's URL link by clicking on the copy button. Then return to your account's dashboard where you'll enter the twitch.tv link into the box and click on the shorten button. This website will automatically shorten this link into a much shorter link. Copy this shortened link and you're done. Repeat the process for the second and third video and you have 3 shortened links that you can use to make money online. Step 3. Start making money. Now that you've shortened links, it's time to start making money. The process is simple. All you have to do is share your shortened links on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. But wait, how exactly can you make money using shortened links? Let's dive into some ways to monetize your shortened links. Affiliate marketing. One way to make money with shortened links is through affiliate marketing. By signing up for an affiliate program, you can promote products and services using shortened links. Every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Advertisements. Another way to make money with shortened links is by displaying advertisements. Some URL shortening services allow you to display ads alongside your links. Every time someone clicks on your link and views the ad, you earn money. Social media. Shortened links are perfect for social media platforms such as Twitter, where there is a limit to the number of characters that can be used. By using shortened links, you can promote your content and earn money through affiliate marketing or ad revenue. By using a URL shortener, you can make your links more visually appealing and easier to share. To do this, simply go to your dashboard and click on the delete button to remove any old links. Then, paste a new URL for your video and click on the shorten button. Your website will automatically shorten the URL into a new link, which you can then copy and paste into your copy and paste template. To make the process even easier, we recommend using a copy and paste template. This will allow you to quickly and easily insert your shortened link into a pre-made format. Simply paste your links into the designated spot and you're done. Now you can start generating money right away. Share your links on gaming forums. One great way to get more clicks on your links is to share them on gaming forums. There are many popular and well-known gaming communities, such as forums.pcgamer.com, where people discuss various gaming topics. By posting your links on these forums, you can reach a wider audience and potentially earn more money. Thanks for tuning into our video on making money online with just a few clicks. I really hope you found the information helpful and that you're as excited as I am to start putting these strategies into action. Do check out our other videos on the screen to keep learning new strategies to be financially stable at the comfort of your own home. Remember to show us some love by hitting that like button, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks again for watching, and I can't wait to see you in our next video.